Welcome back to Inside the Box. I just want to say a quick thank you to you guys for your sweet comments. They help motivate me to keep making videos. Right now, I'm not getting paid to do this. It's a hobby that I'm hoping will eventually turn into an income for me, but your comments are really helping. I've been kind of getting burnt out, and my goal is to have 2 videos up a week, and as you've probably noticed, I have not been able to do that, but it's your comments that are motivating me enough to keep trying. So thank you so much, and I'm almost at 100 subscribers. If you haven't yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and help me reach that goal. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Today, I'm going to talk about another skill or tool you have inside your box that can make money for you. But really quick, I have an announcement. I've been switched over to eBay managed payments, and I know every one of you who sells on eBay, if you haven't already, you will eventually be switched over to eBay managed payments. And because of that, there's a lot of questions I have, and I'm sure there's a lot of questions you guys have. So I want to make a playlist on my channel answering and addressing those questions. So if you have any questions about eBay managed payments, make sure you leave them in the comments below. And if I get enough of the same question, I'll make a video about that topic. So keep an eye out for that playlist too, because we're all learning together. So as I find things, I'll share my computer screen with you guys and we'll learn together. Okay, so today I want to talk about Swagbucks, and I've mentioned this video coming for a while. I've redeemed some gift cards off there, and I videoed myself redeeming my first gift card on Swagbucks and went through the steps on my computer of how I did that. And I wanted to share it in case some of you are interested in Swagbucks or are a bit intimidated by it, so you can see it's a pretty easy process. But when you're selling things online and trying to work from home, or really any job, you need to diversify your income, because you never know when you're going to get laid off. You never know when things are going to sit in your eBay store for a while and not sell. There's a lot of eBay resellers who also have YouTube channels, or they sell on Poshmark or Mercari, and they're just trying to diversify their income, so they have a safety cushion to fall back on. Swagbucks is not a way to make a full income, but it's a great way to make some extra cash. And so for me personally, eBay's a hobby. I'm trying to grow it into business. YouTube's a hobby. I hope one day it'll be like a business for me and make me some money. So while I'm bringing in a little bit of cash from eBay, nothing from YouTube yet, I'm also bringing in a little bit of cash from Swagbucks. And I earn that by earning Swagbuck points, and then I redeem them for gift cards. And you earn Swagbuck points by taking surveys, by shopping online, and just searching the web. So I've switched my web browser to Swagbucks instead of Google. If you guys want me to, I can go more in depth about my strategy with Swagbucks and how I decide what surveys to take, what offers to take, and which ones to leave alone. If you want to hear my strategies about organizing your time with Swagbucks so you're not wasting a bunch of time on it and that it's actually effective, I can do another video about that. Let me know in the comments below. There are a ton of YouTube videos out there already about Swagbucks, but I did want to share it because a lot of people are home right now and they are looking for ways for that extra cash, and this is something that you can do on your phone, on your computer, on your couch, on your toilet seat. It's something you can do. So I'll show you the footage on my computer of how I redeemed my first $25 gift card on Swagbucks, and then I'll talk about it a little more at the end. Okay, we're on Swagbucks website, and I'm going to go to this top corner here on the right by this smiley face icon. This is how many Swagbuck points I have to redeem right now, 2,307. I'm going to go down to redeem Swagbucks. And this is going to show me all the different sorts of gift card options that are available to me. I'll go ahead and go down here and click on the gift cards you can afford now. So right now I can get a lot of different types of gift cards. I could get PayPal, Amazon, Walmart, Visa. I want to get at least a $25 gift card, so I'm going to go to the left here under values and click gift cards, $25. And I noticed some of these are on sale right now by this red % off sign, and I could get the same amount of money, $25, for less Swagbucks with this Visa card than I could with this Amazon gift card. So I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and do that, because for Christmas this year, I'm going to be either buying things from Amazon or eBay, and on my channel, we all love eBay. So those are good gift card ideas for me. Also, we go to Walmart all the time, so that's a good gift card. But the best price of all these $25 ones is this Visa one. So I'm going to go ahead and redeem this one. So I won't read all of this on camera, but what it's saying is it's going to email me the gift card, and I have a limited amount of time to use it. It expires within 3 months, but that's okay because I'll use it in that amount of time. So I'm going to click claim a gift card over here on the right. Please confirm your information is correct. This is a confirmation that you would like to order the following item. So I need to verify my order with a security question. Of course, I'm going to block this all out. So I just verified my gift card. I'm going to check my email for delivery instructions. Got this email saying that it was verified and I should receive instructions on how to get it within 5 business days. It did take a couple days to get the instructions on how to get my gift card, but eventually I did get the email and it led me to this wallet space and I signed up for an account there. I was able to choose if I wanted a digital Visa gift card or a physical Visa gift card mailed to me, and I chose the digital because there was a $5 fee to have the one mailed to you. So I wanted the full 25 bucks. I didn't want to get ripped off and just have 20. And I actually used it already to buy a Christmas present. So that was a lot of fun, and you just type it online the way you would any other credit card when you're shopping online. Since this video, I've also redeemed 2 eBay gift cards, a $15 one and a $10 one. And those showed up in my inbox the next day, and I didn't have to sign up for an account like the My Wallet thing like I did with the Visa. It was just a regular eBay gift card with a code that when I purchase things on eBay, I add gift card and put in the gift card number. And it worked. And again, I've been using those for Christmas presents. So that's just a fun way you guys can make money. So if you have a little time to be on your phone and take a survey, it's worth it. And then as I've been buying Christmas presents off places like eBay, I've been getting cash back for those. So I've actually been earning more Swagbucks towards my next gift card. Swagbucks is not sponsoring this video. I'm just sharing this information with you guys because I know a lot of you are looking for ways to make money from home right now, and it's something that I'm doing. So I have experience with it, so I'm able to share it with you. I am going to leave my referral link in the description box below, and if you use that or also my swag button link to download the swag button Chrome extension, I get a little bit of a bonus reward for doing that. So that would help my channel out a lot. If you find this information useful, please show my support by clicking that link and sign up for Swagbucks so you too can start redeeming gift cards. Thanks guys, I'll catch you in my next video.